Hello student, today I am here with the fourth part of the chapter, that is properties of multiplication of whole numbers. So first property, closure property. If a and b are whole numbers, then a into b is also a whole number. If a and b are whole number, and when we multiply them a into b, then the product will also be a whole number. So let's take a is equal 7 and b is equal 5. So 7 into 5, that is 35. 35 is also a whole number. Second property, commutative law. If a and b are any two whole numbers, then a into b is equals to b into a. Here a into b is equals to b into a. So if we take a is equal 6 and b is equal 4, so 6 into 4 is equal 4 into 6. 6 4s are 24 and 4 6 are 24. That means a into b will be equal to b into a. Third property, multiplicative property of 0. For every whole number a, we have a into 0 is equals to 0 into a is equals to 0. While we multiplied any number with 0, the answer will be 0. So here 9 into 0, 9 into 0 is equals to 0. 0 into 9 is equals to also 0. Here 37 into 0 is equals to 0. Fourth property, multiplicative property of 1. In multiplicative property of 1, when any number multiplied by 1, the answer will be the number itself. Here when 8 multiplied by 1, 8 ones are 8. Here 1 into 8 is equals to also 8. Fifth, associative law. If a, b, c are any whole number, then a into b in bracket multiplied by c is equals to a into b into c. A, B, C are three whole number, and if they arrange in the form of a into b in bracket multiplied by c, then this will be equal to a into b into c. So if we take a is equal 2, b is equal 4 and c is equal 6, then 2 into 4 into 6 is equals to 2 into 4 into 6. So 2 4s are 8 into 6 is equal 2 into 4 6 are 24. 8 6 are 48. 2 into 4 24 48. Both are equal. So this is associative law. Now distributive law of multiplication over addition. For any whole number a, b, c, we have a into b plus c in bracket is equal to a into b plus a into c. A, b, c are whole number, and if a is multiplied by b plus c, then this will be equal to a into b plus a into c. So let a is equal to, b is equal 3 and c is equal 5. So here a into b plus c. So 2 into b plus c, here 3 plus 5, and this will be equal to a into b. A into b here 2 into 3 in bracket plus a into c. So 2 into 5. Now solve. 2 into 5 plus 3, 8 is equal 2 3s are 6 plus 2 5s are 10. 8 2s are 16 and 6 plus 10 also 16. So both are equal. So this is distributive law of multiplication over addition. Now seventh, distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. For any whole number a, b, c, we have a into b minus c. This will be equal to a into b minus a into c. So again, if a, b, c are whole number, then if a is multiplied by b minus c, then this will be equal to a into b in bracket and minus a into c. Now if we take a is equal 11, b is equal 6 and c is equal 4. So a 11 into b minus c, b here 6 minus 4, and this will be equal to a into b here 11 into 6 minus 11 into 4. So 11 into 6 minus 4, 2. 11 6 is 66 minus 11 4 is 44. 11 2 is 22. And here 66 minus 44, 22. So both are equal. This is distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. So student, that was all about properties of multiplication of whole numbers. Thank you.